Let's face it, we all know that leading a team of people can often feel more like herding cats, keeping the team on track and on the same page, keeping them focused on the highest priorities and the right things at the right time, all while we're swirling in the whirlwind of our daily and weekly activities. One workshop in our leadership development series is designed to help you uncover ways to help your team members manage the whirlwind of the modern day workplace so they can heighten their productivity. The workshop is called Focus Your Team. In this workshop, you'll learn a set of tactics, strategies, and models that we believe are among the best ideas from experts in team productivity and execution. Best of all, you'll also learn our accountability system that brings all the tactics and strategies together. The system gives you as a leader a simple and straightforward way to operationalize higher levels of accountability and productivity within your team. Join us for our leadership development series and learn how to focus your team. See you next time.